Before we proceed, guys, let me make a few things very straight. Couriers are the guys who work for me, for my restaurant, to deliver food to my clients. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my first courier, and I'm gonna explain you on the way why we are doing that. So I have a guy, his name is Olaf, and he works to deliver food at my place. This is Olaf's phone number. Let's upload the Olaf's photo here. I will explain why we are doing it. You will see why shortly. So here is our Olaf, and Olaf uses bike to deliver, and that's eco-friendly vehicle. So once I click save, Olaf is going to receive an SMS for this phone number inviting him to join to download Droover restaurant delivery app. Here we go. Let me guys switch to the phone and show you the actual SMS. I'm going to be pretending being an Olaf for a while to show you how I'm going to deliver my first delivery order. So once the courier is added, they're going to get this kind of SMS on their phone, leading them with that link, leading them to download the app, either from Play Store or App Store, depending which device your courier is using. And once they download it, then they can log in using their credentials. We're going to get there in a moment. However, you might be still thinking why we would even need to use this app for our delivery orders. Think of it from two perspectives. First of all, as a restaurant owner, I am interested in making sure that my delivery operations run smoothly. My couriers are immediately notified when there are new delivery orders coming. The system builds the most optimal routes for them, knowing the information about traffic, weather conditions, and how many orders can be delivered in a single tour, therefore saving time for my couriers. And that's one thing. Secondly, think of your consumers. They're so much used to see all those live tracking and notifications coming to their phone features that they have experienced from other services, and now we can also have them. Why wouldn't we use them? That would lead to a high customer satisfaction, and they would come to order again. And our couriers won't make any mistakes while delivering, being step-by-step guided. All right, let's get back to our delivery app. Now our courier will download the app. I already have it downloaded and hit open. I'm gonna type my phone number. To be precise, the phone number with which I was registered as a courier here. So in our case, Olaf, who is me now, I will type the exact same phone number, and I should receive SMS to verify it. Once verified, I can log in and make sure that you allow notifications, because this is how I'm gonna get notifications about new delivery orders. And guys, interface of this app is quite simple. We have, first of all, my profile view where we can see some details about myself, about me as a courier. I can set my status as available or not, or can change my vehicle type. That's pretty much it. I also see to which restaurant I belong. And we right now have no orders. Let's go ahead and place our first delivery order.